Day 0, complete yard sale. I've already had the heads off, heads back on, relashed them, killed a rocker and push rod, got all that repaired, fired it back up, had a misfire that turned into a rod knock. Now the steering's out, the oil pan's out, fix the rods, put everything back together now, and then hopefully everything works. It's gonna be a long week, only day 0. In the Staging Lanes Hot Rod Drag Week 2025, finally get to line up with Blasphemy. Unfortunately, I'm just breaking the beams because I'm broke as fuck. Back home, got it on the lift, about to start tearing it apart. So, yep, Drag Week 2025, I'd say it's a complete failure, but you know, we were broke when we got there, so it's not that bad. But yeah, so start tearing it apart, see all the damage, and then get back with you in a minute. Alright, so first things first, oil filter off, filter cut open, absolutely nothing in the oil, which for the amount of noise this thing was making, very surprising. So got this thing, suspension hanging, oil pan on the ground. I got the number 5 piston out, which is the one that hit the valve. Rod and bearing look fine, journal looks fine, everything else is good. So one bent valve, everything else good, lifters are good. Try to get in here, let you see everything going on. So cylinders look fine, everything looks good. So I still haven't found the actual source of the noise, because it sounded like a rod bearing again, but definitely wasn't. All of them are in good shape. So I guess this home motor is going to come out, put it back on the stand, and we'll tear it apart 100%. Just inspect everything one piece at a time. Alright, so got everything tested, everything's back together, pistons are back in, we just did everything in chassis. Rebuilt the oil pump, make sure that's all good, got everything back together, tested it, got 75 pounds oil pressure on the drill, cylinder head, rebuilt, new valves, everything's good, everything's back together, recut the seats. So this side is going back together, and then I'll tear apart the other side, take that head off, do the same thing to that so everything matches, and then fire it up. Hopefully everything works. So we'll find out here shortly.